How to fix AirPods microphone not working. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix AirPods microphone not working. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to make sure to check on the microphone part of your AirPods. So once you open or get out your AirPods, you may be able to see this part right here on the bottom part. So there is actually a somewhat kind of a gray thing right there. So that is actually your microphone. So what I would like you to do is to get a something like this one, the Q-tip, for example. You may apply water or you may apply alcohol if you want to, and then make sure to clean this part right here. So make sure that this thing won't be soaked with water or alcohol so that it won't be damaged. Then do this on the other side as well. And then um you should try to um try the microphone once again and then that should work. However, if it doesn't work, then you might go to your phone. So let's proceed to our phone. So if you are now on your phone, what I would like to do is to go to settings and then go to Bluetooth right here and search for your AirPods. So go to your AirPods and make sure to connect your AirPods with your phone. And then scroll down and then you may be able to see microphone right here. So once you click on it and then it has been selected to the default one, which is automatically switch AirPods, then you might try clicking on always left AirPod first and then exit it and try your microphone. And again, if it still doesn't work, go to the microphone once again and choose always right AirPod and then go back and try it once again. And if these things still doesn't work, what I would like you to do is to go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods microphone not working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.